Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use motion tracking feature on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared a project on my InShot application, and for example I'm going to track this curl with motion tracking feature on InShot. If we want to track a moving object like this, we can use tags, sticker, or emoji, and it's up to you. You can choose it as you want. And for example, I'm going to track this curl with tags, so I'm going to click on tags and click on tags again, and I'm just going to type in follow me like this, and I'm going to make it smaller guys, and then I'm going to make this text align with my video. Okay, and we can go to the motion tracking feature shown by this icon. Just click on it, and here we have two options. You can choose this one or this one. If you choose this one, you have to drag the material to where you want to track, and if you choose this one, you have to pick a target object to make the material follow it. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to place the circle to the object I want to track. Then we can click on start tracking. Okay, and we just need to wait until the tracking process has completed. Wait guys, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done. The tracking is complete, and I'm going to check it. If you're not satisfied with the result, we can retracking. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can use motion tracking feature on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.